Hello everybody, welcome to another camp. Today I'm lucky enough to have my good Spanish friend Ivan with me.
Hola.
So you can see as I leave this one, just with a little bit of string here, if I need to tie it off down the side, if it starts raining I can just block that off. But also, I've left us a nice door, so we can pin that across in the night if it starts raining, but if it stays nice, we can bring the fire slightly closer. We can use this to block off any wind that might come in there, and we can just have a lovely cozy night's sleep. The fire's just going to bring all of the heat rushing in there. Really excited for this one.
Hey bro, what are you doing?
I've got a few of the old coals here. With a little bit of heat they'll dry up. Got a few dry sticks, just debarking some sticks, just prepping the fire. Just prepping the fire. You smelling that, Ivan? What are you cooking tonight, Ivan?
Spaghettis, kitchen wings.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings? Yeah.
And more.
Perfect. With the food bubbling away, took time to just make this little stirrer slash fork. While Stefan is preparing the food, just preparing these little chopsticks. Nothing too fancy, just something to eat with tonight. Literally took me 2 minutes. See Ivan carving some wood away, preparing the holder for the bacon in the morning.
Right.
Started raining, so we just threw this over the top, get under there and get a few games on. So we just finished off a little bit of double there, doing a little bit of language exchange. I call that a night. Morning fire vibes. Sleep well, Ivan?
Oui.
Good. I've been summoned for the water. Water source. It's raining, but we have bacon. Thank you for watching.
Merci. And subscribe. And like.